How to turn on or off restricted mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on General, which is the first option in here. Then here you'll find restricted mode. Simply click on it to turn it on. If the white circle is on the right side, it means it's turned on. But if it's on the left side, it means it's turned off. This is how to turn on or off restricted mode on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.